Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get Apple Music on a PS4. Now let me explain one thing to you and why we're going to be using the USB drive method. Okay, it's because, you know, the PS4 does not have a Apple Music app. So you cannot actually pay and play for Apple Music songs on it. PS5 though, it does have it. Okay, I know that the PS4 has the Apple TV app, but it does not have Apple Music. So what we need to do is either use Spotify or download the Apple Music songs, okay? Have that in a USB disk and plug in that USB drive into your PS4 and then listen to it through the USB music player. And that's how you do it, guys. Really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.